This week I thought it would be kind of cool to kick off a mini series about descriptive statistics. And so the first thing that I want to touch on is population versus sample. So population is usually looking at everybody that meets certain eligibility criteria, say women between 25 and 35 who have at least one child, or a screw of a certain size. The sample would then be who or what is included in the project. So say we have 100 women between 25 and 35 with at least one child, or 100 screws. The population is usually denoted in statistics with a capital N, whereas the sample is usually denoted with a lowercase n. Now, we normally try to make a general inference about the population based on what we find within our sample. However, there can be limitations with this because our sample may not actually be representative of the population. So if the 100 women were from one town, or if all 100 women were college educated, that's not representative of all women between 25 and 35 with at least one child in the whole country. That may not even be representative of women between 25 and 35 in another town, even if that town has a similar population size. Similarly, with our screw example, if all 100 screws came from a premium brand and we're looking at how often the screws strip, then that might not be representative because there are going to be screws from other brands that might strip more. And so you see that when we do different calculations, it might be dependent on population versus sample. And so I'll get into that a little bit more in another video, but I wanted to kind of throw out the population versus sample this week. I hope everybody has a great week and be kind with stats.